Sri Lanka is a birder paradise. A tropical island in the Indian Ocean situated 10 degrees north of the equator, boasting diverse and favorable climatic conditions and natural habitats such as forests, scrublands, grasslands, wetlands, seas, and agricultural lands. The country is home to 439 species of birds, of which 236 are breeding residents, 203 migrants, and the rest are vagrants. For a country as small as Sri Lanka has 33 endemic species and 68 endemic subspecies of birds with species endemism of 11% goes to demonstrate why Sri Lanka is one of the finest birdwatching tourist destinations in the world. This includes endemics such as fowls, pigeons, parrots, parakeets, malkoa, kukal, owl, owlet, hornbill, barbet, magpies, bulbul, warbler, babbler, thrush, white-eye, myna, starling, flycatcher, flowerpecker, pigeon, barbet, flameback, woodstrike, drongo, and swallow. There are close to 200 seasonal migratory birds, both terrestrial and aquatic, moving away from the northern winter, traveling from as far as Siberia, Scandinavia, and Western Europe, arriving around August/September and leaving around April/May.